Hi everyone, this is Harshita. I'm a nutritionist, diabetic educator, and a metabolic balance coach by profession. Today I'll be sharing few tips to reduce the belly fat, which I'm sure much needed post this lockdown. Before that, I would like to thank Mompreneur Circle for this amazing opportunity wherein they are seeking advice from various fields, from various paramedical department, and sharing their expertise amongst the community. So thank you so much, Mompreneur Circle. Now, it's very important to understand what is belly fat. So, belly fat is nothing but the abdominal fat, the fat which is accumulated around the midsection of the body, and which is the visceral fat. Now, this is not due to any underlying issue, but due to lack of exercise, lack of any physical activity, lack of any correct diet. So, all in all, it is due to the lifestyle issues basically. So how to get rid of that? Number one, it's important to reduce the grains from the body. Grains as in reduce the carbs from the body. So, for example, if you're having 60% or 70% of carbs throughout the day, it is important to reduce to at least 10 or 20% of whatever you are having already. Try and go for gluten-free flours. Try and go for things like insoluble fiber or good fiber, where you are taking the carbs, the indirect form of carbs and proteins. So try and cut down the direct sugar, your grains, your refined flours, anything where you're not able to see the sugar, the hidden sugars that we call. So go for things which are high in protein and high in fiber. It's very important to take care of the insulin. So if you're reducing the grains from the body, you are indirectly taking care of your insulin also, because insulin is directly related to your fat storage. If we are taking less carbs, if we are taking less grains, we are automatically reducing the insulin, and hence we are reducing the fat storage. Then it's important to go for exercise. So initially always, it's advised to go for HIIT exercises like the high intensity interval training. But if you are a beginner, go slow. Take baby steps. Don't do things which you are doing overnight and ultimately not able to achieve that. So do things like aerobic exercises are really good for the body. You can do those. Cycling, jogging, walking, they are amazing aerobic exercises, and which are not there to stress out your body also. So it's important to exercise, because there's no one exercise which will cut down the abdominal fat overnight. And guys, government has open the gym, but it's important that you are taking care of yourself also. You have to take care of your people, your loved ones. So don't take any hasty decisions and you want those quick fixes and hitting the gym. It's important to take care of your immunity of your body otherwise also. So you can do things at home like skipping, spot jogging, simple exercises, simple bending exercises, sit-ups. You can do these things to get rid of the belly fat. Number 4, I'm sure this lockdown has ruined everybody's sleep pattern, because mostly people are working from home and they are working more. So it's important to reduce your stress levels, wherein you are taking care of your sleep patterns, because sleep is directly related to release of cortisol. It's a stress hormone which again accumulates a lot of fat in the body, and it is mainly abdominal fat which is seen. So it's important that you correct your sleep, neither less of sleep or oversleep. So maximum 7 to 8 hours of sleep are very, very good. But take care of your sleep, guys. It's important. You will see things working slowly and gradually. Then again, it's important that you have a lot of water, lot of fruits and good proteins. I'm combining these things because it's important to take care of your thirst, because sometimes we are not hungry but we are thirsty, but we are working continuously and our brain is only accustomed to go for and look for the comfort food. So try and do things, you know, which are very, very easy. So include a lot of water in your body. I mean, include a lot of water in the diet. Hydrate your body so much that, you know, it's basically reducing the toxins also from the body. Then include a lot of proteins. You have to balance out the entire diet. So, you know, as I said that to reduce the belly fat, initially it's important to reduce the grains. So if you're reducing the grains, we have to up the proteins. So increase more proteins and fiber. Eat vegetables, eat fruits, things like oats. They are good, you know, insoluble fiber, which will take care of your hunger pangs, which will take care of your insulin insensitivity, and ultimately your abdominal fat. Then again, it's important to increase, you know, a lot of herbs in the diet. The kitchen herbs are easily available. So try and have zira, try and have ajwain, cinnamon, ginger. These things are readily available. You don't have to rush here and there. Try and have in water or in your food. Again, they are good to get rid of the belly fat. Of course, you know, they are natural. They will not do things quick, but they will help you a lot. So try and include things which you can do, which are sustainable, which are realistic, and of course, which are there, you know, readily. You don't have to rush here and there and do things which are not, you know, which are unrealistic basically. And last but not the least, the mindful thinking, the mindful eating. Please listen to the body. Listen if it's hungry or not, or you are just eating out of boredom or probably out of stress. So you have to eat at proper intervals. Listen to the body when you're hungry. Listen to the body when you're not hungry. Just don't, you know, don't make your body like a waste or like a trash can where you're just, you know, including a lot of things unnecessarily. So go for intuitive eating, your mindful eating. Maintain a food diary. You know, it will help you a lot. Initially, you'll see that you're eating fruits at night and you're eating all the sugary drinks in the morning. But once you're accustomed to maintain a food diary, the intuitive eating, the mindful eating will come automatically. So try and maintain a food journal and your intuitive eating. I hope you will include these tips in the diet, in your lifestyle, and get rid of that belly fat as soon as possible. All the best, everybody, and take care. Stay safe. We still have to fight this virus. All the best. Thank you.